Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today our topic is how to earn money from crypto. So before we starting our new video, make sure that you subscribed our channel. Also pressed the bell icon. So the conversation around Bitcoin has been brewing from years, but it exploded in 2017 when the stock reached $19,000. It dipped back down for a few more years until it surged in 2020 and reached new peaks in 2021. For investors with extensive knowledge of the market and the world of the crypto, today that idea has been relaxed a bit. Today, the number of retail investors who want to get their hands on this valuable cryptocurrency is growing. So let's learn all about where you can get it and when it's the right time to invest. So there are four main ways to get Bitcoins. Number one is purchase on a cryptocurrency exchange. Number 2 is sign up for an investment brokerage like Robinhood. Number 3 is find the cryptocurrency ATM on store. And number 4 is use a crypto faucet to receive Bitcoins in exchange for completing tasks. A hot wallet is one that is connected to the internet. However, it does pose a security risk as you are susceptible to hacking and theft. A cold wallet is one that is not connected to the internet, making it is the safest way to store your currency. And store them somewhere like safe or safety deposit box. Without your private keys and addresses, it is impossible to access your Bitcoin. How to get Bitcoin fast? These days you can quickly and easily buy Bitcoin online or offline. Cryptocurrency exchanges are a marketplace where sellers trade cryptocurrencies in exchange of fiat money, like government issued currency like the euro. You can choose from hundreds of cryptocurrency exchanges, but the most popular and reputable exchanges include an investment brokerage firm is a platform that allows investors to buy stocks and cryptocurrencies. Companies like Robinhood allow retail investors to trade and invest commission fees, making them highly popular. Recently, payment services like Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal have introduced new feature to their online platform. The platform also offers Bitcoin Boost and opportunity to earn Bitcoin on purchases made with Cash App card, Bitcoin ATM store and merchants. If you would rather buy Bitcoin in person, you have several options to choose from. Bitcoin ATMs, which work very similarly to our regular cash-based ATM, you can find on here you throw coin ATM radar. Retail stores, which sell and buy Bitcoins. If you are interested in buying Bitcoin directly from another person, websites like Local Bitcoins can help you find people who are willing to exchange Bitcoins for cash. Examples outlined below are all examples of Bitcoin faucets, which are platforms that offer a small amount of Bitcoin in exchange for completing a task. Play mobile or online games to earn Bitcoins. One of the most entertaining and fun ways to earn free Bitcoins is by play mobile on online games. That's right, you can play games on your phone, computers and actually get paid in Bitcoin. Another way to earn free Bitcoin is by completing tasks on websites. Some companies will pay you in Bitcoin to test their website, take their surveys, retweet their post, and complete other small tasks. Alright, cryptocurrency to earn Bitcoins. Certain cryptocurrencies, blogs, news outlets, and firms will pay you in Bitcoin to contribute your insights and write for them. If you have a lot of knowledge about the industry, popular cryptocurrency from like Publish or Words using for reading and writing articles related to Bitcoin. This answer to this question will vary greatly depending on your financial and your risk level. For instance, your younger people tend to make on riskier invest as they have more time to wait out the market, while older investors tend to be more conservative. Cryptocurrency are still considered violating the market. For example, one that is very risky have a huge return on investment. That's why they recommend only a small portion of your portfolio to Bitcoin. One of the thing clear is the Bitcoin is more popular than ever. It's not going away anytime soon. So how to make $100 a day trading with cryptocurrency? I have been trading cryptocurrencies on business for a few months now. I can tell you that it has been a roller coaster of super crazy highs and even more super crazy lows. At a time, I have managed to I'm not a major crypto holder simply because I cannot afford to. That I can put there, sit around as I wait months for years, even for it to rise and to watch it go through these crazy highs and lows. And I need my money to be circulating in and out of a venture for it to best benefit and my situation right now. I trade my crypto on Binance. After a few months of interacting with the platform, I noticed that at least 50 different trading pairs manage 10 to 20% rise daily. Some selected few manage 100% rises, while others do between 40 to 80%. My focus at this point is usually on the ones that rise 10 to 20% daily, as they are the regular occurrence. That purpose of for this story, the strategy applies to spot trading. The number one strategy is if you put in $1,000 on Binance and track at 10% rise on one pair, you will have made $100. You can even set a stop limit price on the platform that will be automatically do this for you. You just put in the price you wish to exit and the platform will itself for you. You will exit the trade with $100 profit, give or take, as you still have to pay trading fees. If you put in $2,000 in on Binance and track at 5% risk, you will also make $100 per day every single day. Number 3 scenario is put in $500 on Binance and track a 20% rise, you will make $100 daily. Remember that they are maker and taker fee that are deductible by Binance for facilitating these transactions. Putting in at least $1,000 for the strategy is much safer and less taxing. The more money you put in, the easier to make a profit and the less taxing to find different pairs at different time to turn in $100 up a day. A $5,000 invest, which is a 10% profit strategy, could give you $500 daily. So guys, hope you will like this video and this information. You can get help from this. So if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe us and also press the bell icon. Stay blessed. Goodbye.